Hello friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here to do my first ever video response, a VR. So I am doing a VR for Maria at Maria's Miscellany, and here's her name in case you've never seen her name before. This is what it looks like on her YouTube channel, and what this is about is her giveaway. So she's having a giveaway, and I will link her giveaway video below this video. But what you do is go watch her video and she can tell you really all about it. And so I'll just kind of basically tell you that it's an awesome giveaway, and she is making 3 flow books made out of beautiful wallpaper. So a little while ago, like a few months or whatever it was, 6 months ago, whatever it was, she did a video on showing a flip through of this beautiful, I don't know how many it was, wallpaper book or books. And I was amazed. It was like, so I have never seen it. I mean, I haven't looked at a lot of wallpaper myself as far as books, or seen them, or had the opportunity to see them. But these, I was just like blown away. They were so beautiful. So she's making flow books, and I think she's making 3 that she's going to give away, I believe. But you really should listen to her video and get the exact correct details, because I'm telling you from memory. But she's making a flow book or flow books, and so that means you'll be able to remove, if you want, the wallpaper and use it in your own projects. So really cool. And she does a really great job on her creations, and she really thinks outside the box and comes up with great ideas, and just thinks of stuff that probably I wouldn't normally think of. She just comes up with stuff that is amazing. So I'm just doing this video response for her. That's one of the ways you can get your name in the hat for the giveaway, is to do a video response. Another way to get your name in the hat is to share her channel on social media. So she's gonna, I believe, under her video maybe have her email link, so you can let her know where you've shared it, or get send her a link to your video response, things like that. I think the other thing she said you could do to get your name in the hat is send her a couple of postage stamps to help her with postage to send out her giveaways or whatever. She does a lot of giveaways. She's always giving away something. I've gotten several things from her myself, so she's giving stuff away to everybody all the time. Very generous. And she also said you could send her a postcard, not even a bunch of postcards or a bunch of anything. I mean, whatever you would send her would cost you 1 postage stamp, basically, to put a postcard in an envelope and mail it to her, or to put a couple of postage stamps in an envelope and mail it to her. That wouldn't cost hardly anything. So, and for that, she tells you in her video how many entries you get for each thing you do. So I'll link it below here. Go over and listen to Maria and Maria's Miscellany, and try to get your name. Try to win her flow journals, because they're going to be awesome. So I'll let you go, and I'll see you all next time, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching.